guys, welcome back to LANapp. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix can't connect to server on Rust. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now if you're having problems with Rust here and you can't connect to your server, well in this case there are a few things you need to know and you need to do here to solve this issue. So the first thing that you need to know here is you need to know if your interconnection is pretty stable. Now, if your interconnection is quite slow or it's unstable, then most likely this is the cause of the issue itself. So you might want to visit a speed test website for your computer. Now in this case, go open up any browser here. So let's go open up my Google Chrome, and from here you want to go to Google and just type in the following, which is going to be speed test. Just press enter. You should be able to see or do a speed test here. Just click on run speed test, and you need to see if both your download and upload speed is quite average. So mine is quite an average speed here, so I can usually access in this case Rust servers. Now if you are having like inconsistencies, like if you're getting like 1 Mbps for the upload or download here, then most likely that is the cause of the problem. Now if you have a stable interconnection, there are other things that you could do here. So one of them is to flush your DNS. So at the bottom left of your screen, you want to go and click on your search here. Just type in the following, which is going to be CMD. Look for command prompt, right click on it and click on run as administrator. It should ask you further permissions. Just click on yes if it requires it to give permission. And in here what we need to do is we just need to type in the following. It's going to be ipconfig space / flush DNS and press enter. Now it will flush your DNS, and what you need to do next is you need to configure your DNS as well. Let's go and close this one, and you want to go to your search bar at the bottom left here. Just type in the following, which is going to be control panel, and in here you want to access the network and internet section. You want to click on network and sharing center, and in here you want to go to connections at the right side. So this is your correct connection right now. Let's go and click on it. It should pop up the Wi-Fi status option here. Click on the option for wireless properties. Go back in here. Want to go to properties at the very bottom left here. And here what we need to do is we need to look for IPv4. Click on properties. And in here we need to change the DNS server. Now you want to go and click on the use the following DNS server addresses. Just type in the following, which is going to be 8.8.8.8. And for the alternate DNS server is going to be 8.8.4 and 4. And from now on, click on OK to apply your changes and close all the windows here and see if that solves the issue. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LANapp. Thank you for watching.